In this video, I will guide you how to transfer money from Kikoff to a bank account. Open the Kikoff app, launch the Kikoff app on your mobile device, log into your Kikoff account. On the home screen, look for the transfer or withdraw option, tap on it to proceed. Choose the option to transfer funds to your bank account. If you haven't added a bank account, enter the following details like account number, routing number, and bank name. Follow any verification steps required by Kickoff to confirm your bank details. Input the amount you want to transfer. Double check your bank account details to avoid errors. Tap on Submit or Transfer to process the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message within the Kickoff app. The funds should arrive in your bank account within a few business days, depending on your bank's processing time. That's it. You have successfully transferred money from Kickoff to your bank account. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.